keep the farthest contact?
Oh!
Whoa!
Yeah.
You must be from Africa.
Yes. Wow. Hey.
That's the one to beat.
Nice one.
That's my son.
I know. He's awesome.
Okay, go this way.
Attaboy. Kick it
Run up.
towards
Hit the
grandma.
grandpa really hard.
Yeah! Kayla's gonna help you out.
Good job, Ty.
That was awesome.
Hey, Sophie.
Hey, Sophie.
Go!
Whoa. I think it went farther.
I think you guys should aim to the pond.
I was going to say, I should hope so. The girls play soccer.
The girls are bigger and they play soccer. They should be able to kick further.
Little kids, back up. Back up. Yeah,
Back
take
up, you're gonna get hit in the face. Yeah, you're gonna kick somebody.
Worry about kicking the ball and Sam will come off.
Well, kick it. You're not kicking
Hard
it
on
off.
a big toe.
Oh, it almost went
Right.
I'm not going standing over there.
That's right. That's what I said, to the pond in the back.